Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix TikTok direct message not working. So if you don't have this direct message feature on TikTok, then it could be that the TikTok account which you created, its account age is not above 18. So if you want to use this direct message feature in TikTok, you need to have above 18 account. So create an account which is above 18 and your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, even if you have a above 18 account, then update your TikTok. So direct message feature is available in the latest version of TikTok. So update it and your issue should be fixed. If it's still not fixed even after updating your TikTok account, then what you have to do is report this problem. You need to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen and click on the 3 line at the top right and go on versus settings and privacy at the bottom. From over here, scroll all the way down and click on report a problem. Now once you're in report a problem, scroll a bit down and you can see this option direct messages. Click on it. Once you click on direct messages, over here at the bottom, click on other. Once you click on other, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, click on where it says no. Once you click on no, click on need more help. Now once you're in need more help, what you want to do is you want to describe your problem. So let's say in your case your direct message is not working properly. You can write this: my direct message is not working properly. I have checked my internet. That is not the issue. So can you help me fix it? After you write this, click on submit and this report will be submitted to TikTok and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. So that is how you guys can fix your TikTok's direct message not working issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.